Drum roll, please. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to play Crazy Eights. It's fast, it's easy, and a classic card game you can play with 2 or more players. Let's get started. As usual, the goal of the game is simple. Be the first player to get rid of all of your cards. First step, shuffle and deal 8 cards to each player. Place the rest of the deck face down to form the draw pile. Then go ahead and flip the top card and start a discard pile. Demonstration, please. Each player has 8 cards in their hand. Take a quick look and don't show your opponents. Don't worry, your secret's between us. The player to the left of the dealer starts the round. Stacy, you're up. Players will then take turns to match the rank or the suit of the top card on the discard pile. So here, Stacy can choose to play the 9 of clubs or her jack of hearts. My turn! I can play a jack or a heart. Looks like I have no jacks, so let's go with lucky number 7. So that's the basics. Let's fast forward. I want to show you some doubles. If you have multiple cards of the same rank, you can drop a double to get rid of your cards quicker. The same applies to triples and quadruples if you happen to have them in your hand. Crazy Eights! 8s are wild cards. Play an 8 at any time on top of any discard pile. Once you play the 8, you will have the power to call out the suit that you want next. I summon diamonds. This rule is the heart of the game and where Crazy Eights gets its name. Because I have 2 diamonds in my hand, this should favor my luck in the future. Whoa, would you look at that? Una's down to her last card. Similar to Uno, when a player is down to their last card, they must yell out, "Last card!" However, if another player notices and yells first, Una must now pick up 5 cards. You can end the game here, or decide to continue on with the fun and count down. Una will deal 7, and the 7 becomes her new wild card. Countdown works by descending from 8 cards to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the game ends when you get down to 0. Special considerations. House rule of life. Draw from the pile if you have no playable options. Once you have drawn from the pile, you can pick and play. Curious, what variations do you play with? That's it, folks. Ask any questions in the comment section, and we'll catch you on the next one for more fun and games.